Hi, I'm Zania. Thank you for checking out IMTC. Previously known as the AVIT Club, we were renamed in 2020 to become the Infocomm and Media Technology Club, or better known as IMTC. In IMTC, we take pride in ensuring that the school's day-to-day events, like the morning and afternoon assemblies, run swiftly and smoothly. We learn to set up equipment, store them safely, and troubleshoot quickly during the events. We also ensure that our members maintain a high standard in our day-to-day operations as well.
Hi, I'm Rashika. Apart from monitoring sound for school events, we are also tasked with capturing the school's important moments. We cover most, if not all, school events in terms of photography and videography, such as the school speech day, sports day, cross country, and even the graduating cohort's prom night.
Hi, Anirudh here. In IMTC, we are creators as well. We learn to storyboard, create videos for the school, learn the basics of DJing, and even dabble in mini automotive engineering. We meet weekly on Fridays 3:45 p.m. to 6:15 p.m. Our meeting venue is in the hall, as it can easily accommodate our ever-growing CCA. Although prior knowledge is not necessary to enter, we love members who are always eager and willing to learn new skills.
Our CCA teachers will guide us along our weekly duties, meetings, and school events. We can always approach them when we face any issues in and out of the CCA.
So, come join us if you have the passion for PA, photography, and Infocomm technologies. As we always say, we don't need to shout, we use mics, for we are IMTC. See you!